With these words in mind, along with an overwhelming feeling and thirst to ride, I had officially got an entry into the Republic of Myanmar. Here's the thing about Myanmar. Anyone overlanding in this country should always have a recognized tour guide and a van along, and we are not to venture off by ourselves into unknown territory. At first I was wary of riding on this bridge, but seeing a 10-wheeler go on it with ease, I realized the strength of it, in spite of its tattered looks. As I rode in this beautiful neighboring country, I found it quite hard to get accustomed to the opposite lane driving. It put me off balance one too many times.
Hi, hello,
hi.
Mingalawa. This is Chor from Myanmar. I'm a tour guide.
Yes, he's a tour
It's
guide.
My guys.
Yes.
Okay. Now today we sleep in Gangok, and we are now starting to move to Bagan.
Bagan, yes.
Bagan is the archaeological zone and the ancient city, and then the UNESCO recognized place.
Yes.
It's
You have to
beautiful.
take us there,
Oh,
yeah.
beautiful! A lot of temples, thousands of temples you will see there.
Yes, yes.
Fantastic.
He's-
You shouldn't miss it. Yeah.
He's been a very good host for us.
Yeah.
He's extremely cooperative, and we're having a good time with this gentleman here. So thank you for your service.
Thank you. Yeah. Namaste.
Namaste. We reached the pagoda capital of the world to witness several temples as far as the eye could see. We were told that there are about 4,500 temples in this region alone. I tried to capture as many as I could in one frame. I wanted to explore several other places in Myanmar but was bound by time. The ride here was just a transit from point A to point B, so I really could not document most of the beautiful places in Myanmar. I'm drinking the Myanmar beer. This is the best beer apparently, and it's recommended by a lot of people. It actually tastes good. This is pork something. I don't know what it is. This is tofu and quail eggs and varieties of sauce, whatever. Yeah. The beer tastes good. It's definitely draft beer. I think it's going to get me bombed today. That's nice. It's good beer. After the relaxing experience of beer and good food, we totally neglected the van. It had to make a scene so that the next time we'd never forget about him.
Minutes later.
I just had a minor crash in one of these curves, but thanks to my riding gear and the crash guards and the frame sliders, nothing happened to me nor the bike. We both are safe. The frame sliders bent and this is a little worn out, and my lights have broken. This is useless now, and thankfully nothing has happened to my frame, and only the knuckle guard has got some damage, so which is doable. This happens during rides, but we still have a long way to go. Peace. Good morning. I'm at a place called Namsang in the interiors of Myanmar. Today I have to ride about 600 kilometers and my left eye is also swollen. Hopefully it should not hinder my riding experience. Hey, Mr. Chow.
Yeah.
Come here. Where are we going today?
Okay, today we are going to Chainto. So that is a transit from Namsam to Tachile.
Okay.
Yes.
How many
To the-
kilometers?
That is 334 kilometers from here
I
to
done first.
Chaito.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
But the roads are very bad.
But the
right?
road is not bad, but they're very snaky, steep up and down, and the mountain is, mountainous height,
Yeah.
so I think it takes long. At least 7 or 8 hours, at least. Yeah.
This is the allergy cream, no?
Yeah. This is allergic cream, sandal and sea.
Yeah. I have rashes and allergy on my neck. I'm not able to ride at all. This is bothering me too much.
Because of dust.
Yeah. And my jacket also.
Jacket off.
Jacket has a lot of dust. I've not been able to clean it.
Yeah.
This is fine.
Yeah, fine. Beautiful.
These are eye drops.
Eye drops.
Dude, this looks like perfume or some kind
It's
of.
a very beautiful one, yeah.
It's not alcohol.
No. It's eye drop.
This-
Exactly.
The eye drops are this one.
Predator. The brand is nice.
Yeah.
Quality one.
Okay.
Tadi aku bilang, no? Penasa lah.
Nasa lah saya.
Oh shit! I can't see shit.
It's good, man.
What was-
Just for a while. It's okay.
Mấy
Why is
hai
it
này
burning?
Yeah, because you have some, so now it's curing.
Man,
Hey man, it's
I
okay.
need my eyes. Dude, I need my eyes.
Okay, just for a moment. Okay, buddy. Alright. Alright. Can I have your pen?
Yeah. Are you sure that?
Sure, man. Believe me.
Lá đó hả? Lá đó.
It's
Này
burning.
là.
Okay.
It's burning.
Funny?
It's burning.
Funny, yeah, it's good, brother.
The eye drops were definitely a huge relief, and though the roads were windy, my eyes felt relaxed. I was back in action. So, Mr. Chow,
Yes.
where are we?
We are in Chaito. That is
Chaito.
on the way to Tachile.
Tachile. That's Tachile's
Thailand
Thailand
border.
border. Thailand border, yeah. And I've been drinking beer with Mr. Chow for the last 3 days. Fuck, Myanmar is overflowing with beer.
Incredible.
Incredible, yeah, dude. And it's good beer.
Yeah.
All the way, it's good beer. If I stay in Myanmar for 1 week, I will become a drunkard for sure. This is not
I don't
happening.
think
It's
so.
not
I
happening.
don't think so. Beer is okay.
But I have very good company. Mr. Chow is good company to drink. And fuck, it's been amazing in Myanmar. All thanks to Mr.
Yes.
Chow.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome from Myanmar. Come on.
Yeah. Thailand was pretty much awesome, dude. Nearly a month, and